Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use keyframes in VideoLeap. VideoLeap is a popular mobile video editing application, provides an easy to use keyframe system that enables creators to animate clips, text and effects without advanced technical knowledge. By using keyframes, editors can create cinematic zooms, smooth transitions, moving text, fade effects and dynamic visual storytelling. So keyframe is a marketplace on the timeline. What you can do is first you need to open the VideoLeap app on device. You can either start a new project or you can simply go to the draft, and once your clip gets into the timeline and move the playhead, the vertical timeline indicator, to the exact moment where you want the animation to begin. You can zoom in and out from the timeline as well, and you can also modify the element by changing its position, scale, rotation, opacity or the effects on the bottom. Select to this effect here. You can select any of the effects from here as well, and you can make the adjustment, and after that you can preview to the animation, and after that you can preview to the animation, play the video to see the smooth transition between the keyframes. And keyframes are essential for creating professional looking animations and enhancing video quality. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.